Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain WP scaffold command, how we can use that command during the WordPress development. So let's jump into that. So here is the WP scaffold command official page. I will provide this link into the description section. So what is scaffold? So it generates code for post type, taxonomy, plugin, child theme, etc. So it's basically a code generator. So during WordPress development, you will need different kind of codes to create post type or taxonomies. Even you need to create plugin or child theme or theme. At that time, you can use this scaffold command. So what scaffold command does, it provides a code when we need during the WordPress development. So for example, if you want to create a plugin, so instead of creating folder for plugin manually, creating a file manually, you can use scaffold command to create a plugin startup, so that at least you have some basic file already there with folder. Same for child theme. So I will explain each and everything in my video so that you better understand. So there are some pros and cons for this command. First we will check the pros. So it has already created code snippet, so we can easily use that code snippet. We can easily create a startup plugin and theme, and then we can build our functionality into that plugin or theme. It will reduce some manual operation while developing. So what does it mean by manual operation? So while creating a plugin, we will create a folder first, and then we will create a file. We will add some code for WordPress to recognize whether it is plugin or theme. So that kind of manual process it will reduce. Cons, I found only one. You need to remember the command. That's the only cons I feel. So now let's start using WP scaffold command. So before that, let me open my WP local site. So this site I have created using WP CLI command, and if you want to see how I created this site using CLI commands, then the video link is coming at the top right corner of the video. Please go ahead and check out the video. So let me open backend. So first we will create a plugin using scaffold command. So I will close this file now, we don't need it. So this is my WP site repo, and over here in the terminal I will go to that folder. So this is the folder for my WP site. Now we want to create a plugin, so that we have this command WP scaffold plugin. So using this command you can create a startup plugin for your site. So this is the command, and these are some parameters you can use for creating your plugin. So let me try to create one plugin. So WP scaffold, I will create plugin, so WP scaffold plugin, then plugin slug movie, then plugin name, custom movie, then you can add plugin description, plugin author, and skip tests. So let's understand each and every parameters I used. So this is for plugin name, this is for plugin description, this is for plugin author. What is skip test? So scaffold command provides test files to create a unit test for your plugin. So if you want to skip those files, then you can use this parameter for plugin, so it will not create a test unit test file. So now I'm going to hit the enter. You can ignore this 2 lines. So it says success created plugin files. Now let's check first into the WordPress backend. I will refresh this page. And here our plugin start showing. So this is our custom plugin name. If I can show you the command again. So this is the plugin name, custom movie. Plugin description is custom plugin. Then plugin author is Bunty. It's Bunty. Now let's check the files. So we will go to the plugins, and here is the plugin movie. So I have given the slug movie over here, so it creates the movie folder, and these are some files. We will learn about this grunt process, but let me open this main file movie.php. So as you can see, it has already added some basic information in this file. So this is how you can have your startup plugin using scaffold command. Now after creating plugin, let's try to create a custom post type. We will use scaffold post type command, and this is the command. I will copy this command and paste it. So WP scaffold post type movie. So we will be creating post type called movie, and label will be movie. Now instead of theme, so these are some parameters you can use during creating post type. So instead of theme, I am going to use plugin, because we have just created a plugin, equals to the plugin folder name. So it says created this file movie.php in the plugins movie, post type, and movie.php. So let's check the folder. So this is the new folder created for post type, and in that folder this is a new file called movie.php. So in this file you see post type is registered movie. So it just generates the code and we need to include this file. So let's try to include this file. Post types, movie.php. Now we will go to backend and we will activate the plugin. So it should create a new post type movies. So as you can see, it creates the movie custom post type. So this is how we can use WP scaffold post type command. Instead of plugin, you can use theme as well. You can use icons for your custom post type to display over here, and these are other options, so you can check out other options by your own. Now after creating a post type, let's create a taxonomy. So again, same WP scaffold taxonomy venue post type. I will copy this whole command. I will paste it over here and then I will make some changes over here. So I am going to create taxonomy venue for post type we have just created, which is movie, and I will hit enter. So it will save the code for the taxonomy in this taxonomy.php file. Let's see where it generates the taxonomy.php file. So it is generated over here on the root. So again, we can use this file in our plugin, and we can include that file into our plugin to use this taxonomy. Now after post type taxonomy, let's create child theme. Let me go to theme section. So I have 2020 theme activated, so we will create child theme for 2020. So for that we will use this command. I will copy this whole command and then I will change according to my needs. So WP scaffold child theme, change the theme folder name. I will give it to 2020. Child parent theme will be 2020 and hit enter. So it should create a child theme. So it says success, created theme which is 2020 child. Let's check the folder, WP content, themes, and here it is 2020 child, and in this it has style.css and functions.php. Let's go to backend. So it has this 2020 child theme. If I open theme description, it says this is a child theme of 2020. Let's try to activate this. And we will go to front end, and yeah, it is a child theme of 2020. So this is how you can create a child theme. Same as you can create theme as well. You can create a Gutenberg block as well. So let's try to create a new Gutenberg block using WP scaffold command. So I will copy this command over here and I will paste it. So this is the command, WP scaffold block. Movie is your block name, title for your new Gutenberg block, and which plugin it belongs to. So we have created plugin called movie, so I will remove S and I will hit enter. So created block, movie block. So again it just generates the code, it doesn't include an code to the plugin. We need to manually include that code. So we will go to our plugin movie, and here as you can see you will have this function folder called blocks. In blocks you will have movie folder, and it has some files related to the Gutenberg block. So we just need to include this movie.php. So let's include that movie.php file. I will copy this. Oops, sorry. Blocks. Movie.php. Now we will go to the backend and we will add something and check whether our block has been added or not. So I will click on this plus button and let's see in what section our block has been created. Formatting, no. So our block is created in widget section. So this is just a basic scaffold block. You can add your functionality to your block. This will just generate a sample block for you so that you can use this code in your further development. So this is how you can use scaffold commands during your WordPress development. I hope you learned something necessary in this video. And this is the video, guys. Let me know if you have any doubt or question. Just write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.